Question 2. Which one of the following statements best describes a characteristic of the associative array data structure? A. Associative arrays have integer indexes. Well, we can quickly cross that one off. Elements stored in associative arrays are ordered. No, not necessarily. But we'll just leave that there. It's a bit iffy if you're rushing through the exam. Elements of associative arrays are composed of key value pairs. That sounds very interesting. So we're going to leave that one there as well. And D, associative arrays are used when several different data types need to be stored together as a field. No, we're not talking about records or databases here, so we can cross that one off too. So if we're going to take an educated guess, it would probably be C here, because elements stored in associative arrays are ordered, and that's not always the case. They can be ordered, but they don't have to be ordered. So C makes more sense. And to check the answer, over here, question 2, the answer is C. Most people got that right. Some people didn't get that right. They put down D. So why would they do that? Associative arrays are used when several different data types need to be stored together as a field. So remembering the previous question here, we were talking about data types. That would be like storing a character and a floating point together in one field, and that doesn't make sense. It's not an associative array. An associative array, if you wanted to look that up, starts in data structures on page 5. It talks about arrays, and on the next page, associative arrays. Associative arrays basically have, well, you would need to go through it, but if we drew an array, let's say A, and an array might have array 0, and that might be my name or my age. My age is 39, and instead of using an indexed number like it's saying here, arrays have integer indexes, an associative array would instead look like this, and I would call up my name, Tom, and that array item would also be 39. But you can see 0 or 1 or an index number doesn't associate my age with me, with my name, whereas an associative array associates the ID, Tom, to something that attributes or is associated with me, which is my age, which is 39. Anyway, more info in the book, page 5,